Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about mixed voice, and we're going to be talking about warming up mixed voice and go over a bunch of scales and things like that. You're going to be learning some things hopefully along the way. You're going to be having trouble with certain things along the way, but just follow along and try to do this kind of stuff repetitiously. You'll get better at it, and you'll hopefully start to get out of your own way. Which leads me to my first point. While doing these things, try to just make the sound. Do not try to be like, should my larynx be down? Should I be supporting right now? Should I be crying into the sound? So I'll try to tell you what to do as we continue to do it. But you'll find that as you continue to try to experiment and just make the sound and start shutting up all those kinds of like, oh, should I be, it'll actually be a lot easier. These things that I'm doing are actually a lot more effortless than you'd imagine. You just have to get better at making them without all of the, the physical things and all that kind of stuff. So everybody shut up. We're going to sing stuff. Let's do this. All right, now, I have allergies that have been bad here for a while, and I'm a human being. So, in the nature of being honest about the voice and things and not trying to always perpetuate this I'm better than you type of bullshit, I have ups and downs, good days, bad days, things like that. And a lot of times lately, man, there's just been so much signage stuff and things like that. So, if you hear me going, just know there's going to be a little bit of that. But I will say that nothing ruins your voice faster than continuously doing that and doing that in a harsh way. So if you are one of those people, try to get in a habit of catching that habit, a habit of catching a habit. You're welcome. And doing this a lot lighter. You can get away with clearing your throat without having to go and doing this stuff will suffice. So keep that in mind as you're doing this as well. Now, I kind of warmed up because this is the third time I've tried to make this video. My camera kept going and shutting off, and then I'd be like, motherfuck. So we're going to try to do this and get through this now. Like I said, I'm a little bit warmed up because I started doing this, but let's just do this and let's get to it. Get ready. As I mentioned, I'm going to try to tell you what to do here. If your voice can go higher than mine, you're female, you have a higher voice, and you would like to pause the video and go a little bit higher, please do so on some of these scales. I'm going to be sticking to a kind of a sort of range here that covers quite a lot of folks. Let's start off with M's on basically a vocal fry. On a siren sounds like this. One more. Back down, I'm sorry. If your siren is not perfect, again, try to make the sound. And it's just try to get out of the way of your perfectionistic attitude with it. And just see how you can make it work. All your thoughts about singing, all your thoughts about the years of practice and everything like that, you could have completely cut yourself off from higher range just by thinking about a whole bunch of this or perpetuating a certain thing. Throw all that away and just try to make the sound, all right? Doing the same sound right here with just a little bit more of an open mouth, so a little tiny bit more pressure. One more. Back down. If you're more in vocal fry, that's fine. This is a warm-up. What we're searching for is chord closure. Chord closure is everything. So if you're going and you're leaking air, that is no bueno. Now let's keep going. I want you to stretch with me. We're going to do a stretch. Now I'm not going to stand up and stretch, things like that. We're going to be thinking about the back of the throat, and we're going to be thinking about it like holding a ball shape, and then we're going to take that and yawn as much as we can and continue to get that to open. If I put this mic close enough to me, you might even hear some disgustingly weird cracks and opening as I stretch my jaw and my throat out. So it's going to be going like this. And no, it's not quick. We're going to hold on to this for a good 10 seconds or so. So as we do these things, muscles are encroaching in on us like this. We have to remember sometimes to get back in and stretch them back open. So let's continue. If you have water with you, terrific. You can remember this little tip as well. It works on stage too. Drinking water does not get moisture into the vocal cords. It takes some time. It takes like 20 minutes to get that hydration actually go to the vocal cords. There's a flap that comes down. So drinking water does not really help that much. It helps a little bit with the viscosity of your mucus lining, but you can get a little bit more moisture in by doing that trick I just showed you, which is to basically inhale some of it. Yes, I know it sounds like a water bong for all you hippie stoners out there. Yay. But anyway, so we stretched. Now, straight up head voice in an ooh. As I go up, I'm going to be venturing into flageolet. If you don't know what flageolet is, terrific exercise, terrific thing to find. Might not find it in a day, but it's a good thing to find. We're just sustaining some of these notes in a light kind of way. Again, if you're still in a little bit of vocal fry, just start pulling in a little bit more chord closure as you can. Here we go. Ooh. As you're doing something like this, you can always use everything like this to remind you to breathe correctly. Check it out, each of these scales I'm doing, I'm going to continuously take a breath into my diaphragm. Ooh, ooh. Now, we're going to be making the voice as nasal as possible. Keep trying to imagine that you're going further and further up into the head and to shed the weight of this down here. It sounds like this. Might sound kind of shitty at first. Again, you might be close to vocal fry. That's okay. Just be nasal. It's going to be UNG. Oh, let's do a couple sirens first to lock in that feeling. Make sense? One more. It's good to think about these things fragmented from your regular voice. And we're using these exercises to warm up specific spaces in your head. So most people, you don't hear them sing, or you might not be conscious of hearing that, but it's a part of the voice. The more we warm it up, the more it works efficiently, and we're not just going down here all the time. Get some of that nose in there. Learn how to use it. Learn how to get into that space when you need to. So that was nasality. Now we're going to do something that's everybody's favorite. For you people that have problems with tongue tension, which I've never had trouble with, but I do have students that do, we're going to be putting the tongue out, and this teaches you how to get this shit out of the way and how to just make these sounds with the sidewall muscles, these muscles like this back and forth as we get better at this. It's not, has nothing to do with any of this jaw tension, and you could tell the difference. Like this, it builds a wall I was going to break. It's more of an ooh, oh, open sound. So we go like this. We put the tongue out. But we're going to do it on a long scale. Sounds like this. That again. your favorite. Now let's do the same thing on we. Be using some different muscles here. You can be nasal. You can try it different ways. But we Let's do that one more time up here, and just pay attention that my lips have never left the position here. They only go vertically down further. There's never a reason to go like this. Wee. There's none of the jaw in there again. We just did the tongue exercise. If you're getting your jaw in there, go back to the tongue exercise. Right? Let's go into that direction now really quick. Woo. So woo. We should be a little bit more nasal. Woo should pull us down a tiny bit more. Should be a little bit lower in the larynx if you can feel it down there. Now, on the way down, we're going to start opening this back up, and we're going to go whoa, 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 whoa. Now you're going to try to yawn, and we're going to try to get a little bit more of that chesty kind of operatic in there. So it's going to go like this. Whoa, 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 Let's do a couple times like that. Whoa. Normally it would be backwards. It would be oh. If you're having trouble, flip it and try the other one. Letting head voice in, but we're trying to do it backwards because we're warming up and we're starting to get a little bit more stank in there. Whoa. 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 Now, in an effort to keep that kind of going and pulling in a little bit of the differences between light, medium, and head, light, medium, and a heavy mix, head mix, we're going to be doing something like this. Moi. Ah, yes, moi. I don't know what that is. It's like an Italian thing. I have no idea. Moi. But we're going to be starting from high notes and moving down. Some people couldn't talk about this like the New York O. Oh! But we're still not putting quite that much stank into it. Mwah! Mwah! So we're trying to hit the note. Mwah! We're going to feel like we're up here and then dragging that down. Mwah! 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 If you can't get as much of an opening or whatever, we can try to stick to more mwah, and try to make it smaller. Try to make it more vocal fry. Mwah! Mwah! One more. Now, lastly, we kind of did quite a bit of things when we're moving quite fast because this is YouTube and because people lose interest very quickly. But, sorry, pardon me. We're going to try to start attacking these notes without the M there for help, like this. So we're going to try to find a way to kind of balance it out and sustain some of these notes. What's the main thing you should be doing in mix and all this as you learn it and stuff? I still got to go back to probably being able to learn how to hold onto these notes and sustain them. At first, you're going to feel like you're at a precipice. You don't know where to push into or where to hang on to. Your voice is going to want to go to chest. It's going to want to go to head, but we have to learn how to balance in the middle. And one of the best ways to learn how to do that is by trying to sustain some of these notes, even if they're not that great. If you have trouble sustaining them, I would have you probably back off pressure and go closer to vocal fry than to go more with support and heavier, because you're going to get confused when you add support underneath of it, and then it kind of works better, but you have to push more air and everything, and you're like, I guess that's what he wants. No, it is not. I want you to have connection, chord closure, and be concise, not and just be pushing everything. And that's not going to work on stage anyway. You're going to peter out pretty fast. So we're going to come way up here to high C. Oh! But let's do it with M's first. Oh! Oh! So take away the M. Oh! 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 Notice how nasal I am in the first part of it. Oh! 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 Yes, you can look up cry, you can look up all those things. Last thing about this, let's just sprinkle some of this in. As I was getting to that, I was starting to put support into it. Let's see if we can put some support into this without blowing ourselves apart. Again, the sound should be kind of smaller and concise. It shouldn't be and big and heavy, and it should not be much louder than typically anything else you do. Probably going to end up being quieter. Well, let's go up with it. Oh! 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 Now, you can take this even farther if you want. You can look up plenty of videos about breath support and things like that. There's one more step to making this even heavier where we really get into breath control and stuff. Starts to sound like this, but it's much harder, and you got to really start holding back breath. So that was more of a mix. Oh! 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 It's more of a belted hold back breath type of thing. Oh! That's more really feeling this grab down here and hold back, but we'll do that just so you can hear it. Oh! As I perpetuate that, I'm holding my breath back here first. Oh! And it feels like the sound's coming from up here. Oh! 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 Hopefully some of this helped you. I hope that it might help you in your singing journey. Hopefully some of it, all of it made sense. Hopefully you can do all of it. But like I said, take your time with it. Make the sounds. Try not to overdo it. Try not to be too loud. Try not to give yourself, too much of a hard time if you can't do it right away or if you're not getting it right away. These things take time. And I know saying them different ways, playing around with it different ways, all that kind of stuff is part of that. But anyway, I will see you again soon. I'm going to be doing some more things like this. Once again, if you want to join me on Patreon, always trying to teach you more over there and give people more over there. And I appreciate it. Bye.